Hello, welcome back to another origami class. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy paper origami fox. It's super simple. I'd rate it 1 out of 5 on the difficulty scale, and let's get started. All you'll need is some square origami paper. If you don't have this, click the link in the description to watch how to turn A4 paper into square paper. Now let's get started. First, you're going to turn your paper over to the blank side, that is if it's one-sided, and you're going to fold this bottom corner up to the top corner. Now crease it really well. Now you're going to get the top left corner and fold it to the top right corner and crease. Next, get the bottom corner and fold it up to the top right corner. So now you should have a square that looks like this. Next, flip it horizontally. It's very important it's horizontal, and you're going to fold the top right hand side corner to the bottom left hand side corner like this. Next, you're going to get the top flap here and fold it outwards so it's almost to the middle but not quite. Fold down the nose and now it should look like this. Get the tip of your tail and fold as much as you want back on itself and then stick it upwards. And here you have your paper fox. Thank you for watching today's origami class. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Bye!